Masifunde isiXhosa.
Iapile, apple. Iapile, apple. Ibanana, banana. Ibanana, banana. Idilia, grapes. Idilia, grapes. I-orange, orange. I-orange, orange. I-mango, mango. I-mango, mango. I-fia, fig. I-fia, fig. Iqunube, strawberry. Iqunube, strawberry. Ipere, pear. Ipere, pear. Iguava, guava. Iguava, guava. Ipesika, peach. Ipesika, peach. Ipainapile, pineapple. Ipainapile, pineapple. Niqhube kakuhle. Well done. Ngoku niyawazi amagama emifuno. Ze niphinde nibuye sizokuqhubeka ukufunda isiXhosa. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back for more. Bye.